Bitcoin is an innovative payment network and a new kind of money. Guys, welcome to What is Bitcoin? Link in the description below for this website. You can get started by pressing on this hyperlink and it'll take you to getting started. Or you can press on the hyperlink on the right to choose a wallet. A wallet is something that holds Bitcoin once you purchase them, once you buy them, or once you mine them, or once you earn them. Get a quick overview for. There's a quick overview for individuals. There's a quick overview for businesses. There's a quick overview for developers. There's three types of people: individuals, business, developers. Bitcoin uses peer-to-peer technology to operate with no central authority or banks. Managing transactions and the issuing of Bitcoin is carried out collectively by the network. Bitcoin is open source, its design is public, nobody owns or controls Bitcoin, and everyone can take part. Through many of its unique properties, Bitcoin allows exciting uses that could not be covered by any previous payment system. Fast, peer-to-peer transactions, worldwide payments, low processing fees. Guys, what do you think about Bitcoin? This is ticker symbol BTC. Leave your comments in the comments below. Like, subscribe to this channel for more information. Guys, you can actually share Bitcoin with Bitcoin. All right, let's go into getting started with Bitcoin. See what they got here. Inform yourself. Bitcoin is different than what you know and use every day. Before you start using Bitcoin, there are a few things that you need to know in order to use it securely and avoid common pitfalls. Choose your wallet. Free Bitcoin wallets are available for all major operating systems and devices to serve a variety of your needs. For example, you can install an app on your mobile device for everyday use, or you can have a wallet only for online payments on your computer. In any case, choosing a wallet is easy and can be done in minutes. You can choose a wallet right here on the website. Get Bitcoin. You can get Bitcoin by accepting it as a payment for goods and services. There are also several ways you can buy Bitcoin. You can buy Bitcoin right here on the website. Spend Bitcoin. There are a growing number of services and merchants accepting Bitcoin all over the world. Use Bitcoin to pay them and rate your experience to help them gain more visibility. You can find merchants right here on the website that's close by you. How to accept Bitcoin. Inform yourself. Bitcoin does not require merchants to change their habits. However, Bitcoin is different than what you know and use every day. Before you start using Bitcoin, there are a few things you need to know in order to use Bitcoin securely and avoid common pitfalls. Processing payments. You can process payments and invoices by yourself, or you can use merchant services and deposit money in your local currency or Bitcoin. Most point of sale businesses use a tablet or a mobile phone to let customers pay with their mobile phones. Accounting and taxes. Merchants often deposit and display prices in their local currency. In other cases, Bitcoin works similarly to a foreign currency. To get appropriate guidance regarding tax compliance for your own jurisdiction, you should contact a qualified accountant. You can read more right here. Gaining visibility. There's a growing number of users searching for ways to spend their Bitcoin. You can submit your business in online directories to help them easily find you. You can also display a Bitcoin logo on your website or your brick and mortar business. Submit your business. You can submit your business right here to gain visibility. All right, guys, that is all we have. If you are liking this, leave me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe and share this with somebody who may be interested in knowing what is Bitcoin. I guess I'll see you all later.